The Stanley Cup Final continues with Game 2.
And excitement is building in the stands.
Get ready for a great game between the Carolina Hurricanes and the Edmonton Oilers. Puljujarvi gets bumped off the puck. Offside, Edmonton. Edmonton gobbles it up. Niederreiter into the attacking zone. Montoya freezes the puck. McDavid is excellent when it comes to controlling the draw.
Jimmy has great timing, and it makes him tough to beat.
The Hahn with the puck. Justin Williams brings it in. Quick shot. Larson gets in the way. The Hahn. Walmart scoops up the loose puck. Walmart. Scooped up by Edmonton. The Hurricanes dump it. Edmonton takes possession. Leader. Nugent Hopkins. The Oilers dump it in. Folk scooped it up. Gagne. Fairland. Nugent Hopkins gets rocked. Sekera gets the shot off. McElhinney stoned him cold. Niederreiter takes control of the puck. Fairland. In the corner.
Line 2!
Svechnikov finds the loose puck. Fairland grabbed it. Svechnikov gets checked. Netshots takes possession of the puck. Svechnikov. Martinov in control now.
Line 4!
Brings it out.
Line 4, you're up!
Over the line. Gagne gets the pass from Montoya. Across.
Line 1!
Brodziak jumps on the loose puck with a wrist shot. Van Riemsdyk jumps on it. McElhinney hangs on for the whistle. The faceoff goes to the Oilers. Passed across. Lucic. Played up. Walmart. Lucic takes control of the puck. Justin Williams. In over the line. He has a breakaway. Williams shoots it. Klefbom with the puck. Leader. Up through center. Across. Moved ahead. Jordan Stahl gets rubbed off the puck. Leader. Short pass. Advances the puck. He pushes Benning past ahead. Jason shoots it quickly. Pesci scoops up the loose puck. Jason backhand. Pesci gets shoved.
Got him pretty good there.
Carolina dumps the puck in. Into the attacking zone.
Wrist shot. That ends the first period. And both teams have a lot to think about during the intermission.
All kiosks in the arena and the main store. Pick yours up before.
After a close first period, we're ready to start the second.
Each team needs a good start to shake things up. Look for them both to make an early statement.
Moved up. Quick pass up. Played up. Over the blue line. Up along the boards. Moved up. Fires in. Montoya gets the blocker on it.
Great deflection to make the save.
Teravainen jumps on the loose puck.
Line 2! Line 3, get up there!
With a wrist shot. Leg save.
That shot found nothing but pad.
Quick pass up. Gagne takes control of the puck. Over center. In the corner. Kara. Right on. Noors. Centered. Offside, Edmonton.
Mascots from around the league will be participating in.
The players are lined up and ready for the face-off.
It's more fun for the whole.
McDavid finds the loose puck. Niederreiter shoves him. McDavid dumps the puck in. Edmonton gets a hold of it. Door slammed shut by McElhinney. Larson passed across. Fairland is in the clear. Delayed penalty call for Edmonton. Larson gets called for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Carolina will go on the power play.
This is where they need to turn up the heat. They can mount a few odd man rushes. They might be able to do some damage.
Sakara gets rushed. Left bomb jumps on the loose puck. Stall. Montoya hangs on for the whistle. The ref is signaling for the faceoff. Draisaitl played up. Passed ahead. McElhinney gets the stick on it. And out they come with a puck. Advances the puck. Passed across. Backhands it. Clefbaum stops the shot. Fairland takes control of the puck. Nugent Hopkins. Nugent Hopkins gets laid out. Sakara with the puck. Norris. Sakara has it now. Stahl gets in the way. He gets rocked.
Gotta keep your head up out there.
Brings it up. In over the line. Shoots quickly. Tervainen jumps on the loose puck. Niederreiter gets hammered. Sakara takes control of the puck. Shoots quickly. Montoya gets a leg on it.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
Larson has seen his penalty expire, meaning his team's no longer shorthanded. Sakara one-times it. Blocked. Hull knocks the puck loose. Carolina picked it up.
Line 4.
Larson up through center. He gets pushed off the puck. Along the boards. Norris stops the shot. Pesci with the puck. Saved by Montoya. Montoya intercepts the puck. And he covers up for the face-off. The puck is about to be dropped. Nugent Hopkins jumps on the loose puck. Icing against Edmonton. We're ready for the face-off. Across. Gagne gets nailed. Advances the puck. Ben Rimstad takes possession of the puck. Netchas gets checked. Pesci finds the loose puck. Kodziak, he scores!
This is what's so great about the wrist shot. It's not as fast as the slap shot, but it's quicker to get off and way more accurate.
Carolina has allowed the first goal of the game.
The way they were going at it, someone was going to break. It just happened to be them.
Tervainen shoots the puck. Nugent Hopkins got it. Slavin, he scoops it up. Ratty. The Oilers dump it. Grabbed by Edmonton. Wrist shot. McElhinney gets a leg on it.
Now that was a quick pad save.
Kasiak knocks him off the puck. Brings it out.
Line 2.
Slavin grabs the puck. He shoves Prodziak. Played up. Moved ahead. Carolina needs to be making a line change soon. Quick pass up. Passed ahead.
Minute of play in the second period.
Martineau with the puck.
No matter what the score, you always want to come out strong in the third period. We should have some great hockey ahead of us.
Player used equipment as well as discontinued merchandise.
Neither team has claimed this game yet.
No, that's right, Jim. The first and second were played fairly evenly.
The faceoff goes to Carolina. Moved ahead. Out over the blue line. Played up. Fairland takes possession of the puck. Niederreiter gets the shot off. He picked it up. Carolina needs to be making a line change soon. Shoots it quickly. Montoya gets a leg on it. Kara jumps on the loose puck. Draisaitl takes it. Ahead to the neutral zone. Quick pass up. Moved up. Played up. Passed across. Fairland gets the loose puck. Up along the boards. And out they come with a puck. Centered. Advances the puck. Slavin with the puck. Williams brings it out. Larson takes possession of the puck. Kasiak. Carolina scoops it up. Williams over the blue line. He scoops up the loose puck. Walmart. Edmonton picks it up. Shoots quickly. McDavid gets in the way. Ahead to the neutral zone. Gagne, the hog, finds the loose puck. Nugent Hopkins gives him the business. Nugent Hopkins jumps on the loose puck. Ratty gets checked.
Not getting away from that one.
Leader dumps the puck in. Jumped on by Edmonton. Shoots! And Rinstein picked it up. Martineau grabs it. Shoved. Norse fired it hard. Missed the net.
Line wide.
Sekera. Svechnikov grabs the puck. The Hurricanes cleared it down the ice. Carolina has it. Svechnikov gets pushed. Gagne takes control of the puck. Kasiak. He hasn't faced a huge number of shots.
Jim, but the ones he has faced, he's looked good on.
Brodziak jumps on the loose puck. Slavin nails him.
Line one.
Out over the blue line. Moved ahead at center. The Hurricanes dump the puck in. Scooped up by Edmonton. Russell gets checked. Brodziak finds the loose puck. Lucic shoots! Taken by Edmonton. Shoots it! Carolina takes it. Larson rips the shot. Pad save. Quick pass up. Brings it in. Larson knocks the puck loose. Teravainen. Whips it. Montoya. Great save.
It's not easy getting one by him.
It's all on the goalie now.
Hey, he's pretty close to it. You know what?
And this time, they've got it offside. Kara scoops up the loose puck. Chasen brings it out. Draisaitl gets hold of the puck.
Minute of play in the third.
Norse. Kara gets checked.
That'll keep him guessing.
Netchas knocked him off the puck. McElhinney is leaving the net.
Jim, they need numbers now. They need offense. There isn't much time to tie this thing up.
Chasen with a wrist shot. Empty netter. Nothing risked, nothing gained, I guess.
Well, they had to take a chance by pulling the goalie late. That empty netter sealed the deal in this one.
We're under a minute now, and I'm thinking this one is over.
Jim, I can't argue with you on that one.
Assisted by number
Played up. Ratty. Edmonton dumps the puck in. Folk got it. Jordan Stahl. In over the line. He gets pushed. Niederreiter scores! Newsrooms across the country are queuing up that goal.
Jim, a classic hockey moment.
A one-timer in hockey is like a penalty kick in soccer. The goalie just has to guess where it's going.
Yeah, and he guessed wrong on that one.
Klepov. Brodziak gets the loose puck.
number 21, Niederreiter.
Fires hard. McElhinney. Blocker save.
And by number 27, Justin Falk.
Brodziak jumps on the loose puck. Carolina sends in the extra attacker.
Jim, it's a gamble. The empty net could mean another goal. That would ice it.
Tonight's third star, Edmonton number 28, Pearl Broadway. Tonight's second star, for Edmonton number 39, Alex Chasen.
From Edmonton, Alberta, this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Until next time, take care.
Goodbye.